Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we're on our way into Dollar Tree, and let's see if they have anything in here today. I did show this to you guys on a YouTube shorts, but they have the lemonade stuff. So it says every day is a fresh start. The lemons on this one, the mugs. There is the oven mitts, the towels, and then these have the writing on it. Oh, some of them say every day is a fresh start, and some of them are plain. Here's the bowls, the placemats, the plates. All right, and then they do have some of the bee stuff. Now it looks like most of the bee stuff is gone probably, but it's you are the bee's knees. The first time I read that, I was like, huh? I don't know much about bees, so maybe I need to Google it. Be happy. And then there's the bee bowls. There's nothing on the inside. And the plates. And right over here they have some bee jars. Clarity, energy, balance, and then some more candle holders. Oh, it's like the straight ridge, the ridges, and then these like some swivels. Shot glasses, salt, tequila, lime, repeat. Cheers, y'all. Bottoms up. And these were here last year, but believe and be happy. Some more of the nautical themed jars. Show me the honey and let it be. Off the market whiskey on these. These were here last year, but they bought these back too, the bee jars. And some more little bee jars. Let's see, can I get this open with one hand? Yeah, okay. And gold and white. Teacher is a work of art. Okay, a lot more jars over here. And these were here before they bought these back. We still have some Valentine glasses, and then let's see, some Father's Day cards. Uh-oh. To my dad, who can fix anything. To the man, the myth, the legend. Happy Father's Day. To the grill master, to the world's best dad, happy Father's Day to the grill master. Cool, to a super dad, dad, you're a hero. Hey Papa Bear, happy Father's Day. Dad, happy Father's Day to the world's best dad, and it's dad again. To my, okay, dad that can fix anything. You're the best dad ever. Number one dad. That's cute. Look, they have another little teacher one. This classroom runs on love and laughter. A caffeinated teacher. And we did already check out all of this decor. The watermelons, the oranges, the butterflies, and the turtles. And all of the stuff that they had. If you didn't watch that video, you can go back and check it out. And now they have the reusable fruit design ice pack. So I see a lemon and orange and a watermelon. And they have some rakes right here with the sticks. And some more garden tools. And what are these? Some garden flags. Spring is here. Welcome gnome. Hello spring. And there's a little bike. And welcome. Oh, look at these cute little gift boxes with the bows on it. Cute gift bag. Happy birthday. Most of those other bags we've seen, this one is cute. Oh, they have some cool little neck rest pillows in the 5+ section. That's cute. A unicorn. What is that? A shark. A mermaid. The gamer. Game controller. And these pillows. Looks like a Christmas pillow. Some cool blankets. Oh, glows in the dark. My mom got Riley a glow-in-the-dark blanket. She loves that thing. Unicorn. That's definitely cute. It recharges by the light. Some sticky notes. Okay, with the smiley faces. Let's see, there's strawberries. That one. And some journals. Never stop growing. And your future is bright. Is there anything else over here? Some skin tone crayons, bright and bold, neon, pastel. Okay. We've seen those. These give fall. Well, these are cute. Mustard, brown, teal, green, and gold. And I stopped because of these right here. French lavender dryer sheets. And honeysuckle. Okay, they got some Downy Unstoppables and Wash Booster scents. And the Gain Fireworks and Gain Defense odor. Rinse and Refresh Downy 3 times odor power. Pet bowl replacement mats. It's that one in a gray. And let's see, some bowls. Look at these little cute bowls. Let's get this party started. Meow. Positive vibes. What does that one say? Life is perfect. Like purr. Alright, so I showed these to you in a shorts video and then I never seen them again. But they have the glow up toner with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. There's also the glow up night moisturizer. And there, this one is a serum. Glow up serum. I was considering getting these. I don't know, I think these might work good, but like I said, I did a shorts video and it was stocked. And when I went back to do like a regular video in the store to show you guys, that stuff was like, look for me, because I am not here. Cocoa and shea butter treatment mask. Now I showed you guys this stuff too, but they didn't have the mask. And it's the coconut and sweet almond glow oil. vitamin C grapefruit dark spot treatment with licorice root, and all of this stuff is for melanin skin. And there is the mango and shea butter moisturizer with vitamin E. Essentially ageless collagen night moisturizer and the collagen gentle cream cleanser. And then they have some of the watermelon daily cleanser, some charcoal cleanser, some of the masks. So then they have the peppermint face mask, the strawberry sheets mask, and then there is face mask, strawberry uplifting, and then this one, I think I remember seeing these in Five Below. There's calming, hydrating, uplifting, hydrating, okay, anti-stress is that one. And a lot of facial mask here, violet and bergamot, carnation and vanilla, firming sheet mask, hydrating sheet mask is that one. There is the tea tree, real vegan Candiluta mask. There is the blueberry two-step scrubbing mask, olive, cucumber, vitamin C.
Okay, it says medium, and then there's
thigh sheet mask. The 2-pack, what is this one? Camilla mask. Vitamin C. There's a bubble mask. There's a lot of masks over here. Okay. Let's see what kind of beauty products they have. They have some Pride makeup. See Me liquid foundation. Oh, look at these nails. The blender travel case, the lemon, and then there's a pineapple. Let's see, what's this right here? LA Colors, shadow stick, stamp pen, tattoo stamp pen, crystal lip gloss, crystal. Okay. And then there's the hyaluronic watermelon little face mask. There's a lot of watermelon stuff in here, so any watermelon lovers definitely could make a nice little gift basket with all the watermelon goodies I see in here today. Look, another watermelon grooming kit.
So it's nacho cheese, but they were in like a
compact mirror. And cheek and lip glitter balm, cheek and lip oil, glitter lip balm, and the lip gloss. The Peaches LA lip color, cheeky and peachy.
Should have written down one.
Powder puffs. Plumping lip gloss. And then they still have these, the fragrance roller balls. So it's blueberry and strawberry scented lip glosses. Let's see, and then they also have the lip gloss. So that was a perfume roller ball, and there's the lip glosses to go with it. Jelly glazed mini nail polish set. And then there's some nail gems. And then the application tool. Some popcorn bags. Hello Summer. And it's summertime. And then the regular popcorn bags. Some eye patches. Hydrogel eye patch. Helps smooth and uplift depuff tired under eye bags. So it looks like a star and the hearts. Beach bumming paradise. Stay golden. Funny, crazy, wild thoughts. You can. Little crossbody bags. And then the hats and some scarves. Oh, the butterfly one is cute. When we walked in, Miss Skyra was sleeping. Now she's up. But I'm going to end this vlog here, guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping around with me and Dollar Tree. I really did hope you guys did enjoy this. And if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here and be a part of all the shopping trips. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Look, they have some solar lanterns. So it's like the bubbles, they pop out with the solars. That's cute. Pink, teal, white, green, and then these right here. Butterflies. Dragonfly. Still have the light bulbs. And all the different colors. And these right here. In the jars. Every angle I turn and I think I'm leaving, it's more stuff. It's cute bags. It's that one. Beach vibes only. And this one. All of this are right at the front of the store. How did I just walk past? You know why? Because I was so focused on everything else. These cute little bags. And these. And the hats. Oh, look, these little hats. Okay. So the little hats match the little bag right here. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's neat.